Hello, this is Jeremy Port, and this is my video for Lab 4 for game physics. My student number is 101-367-286. Let's get started. So, the way I did it, it's very basic. So in the play scene, I still have the gravity, I still have the friction, I still have the, or actually I don't need this one now. But yeah, still have the gravity and friction because we want those to be changeable. But what I did was I made a class, called, right up here. The class is called Physics Framework. And what Physics Framework does is it has gravity, x velocity, y velocity, and delta time. And it has a few functions. One of them is setting the velocity, and then the other one is applying the physics. Now this is the main one. So you have to make, since it's not a static, because I wanted the gravity to be changeable by sliders in the user, I had to make you have to make the class inside of here, and yeah, so it's in here, and so just over here in update, as you can see, I call it, this is the same code as my last one, just the version is with the physics, apply physics. So here's the fireball. It calls in a game object, then gravity, and then friction. It's also within the fireball class itself. So you can see here, physics framework FB. That's how you add it to one. And you don't have to do anything with it because it has a default constructor. And default values, and so you're just able to call it and then apply physics and just put in your gravity and friction. I believe I made a version, I didn't make, I was gonna make a version without putting in gravity and physics, or not physics, friction, but I did not for now. But yeah, there's apply physics with gravity and friction. And when I load the game, you can see that it works exactly perfectly normal. In the physics framework CPP, this is where all the calculations happen. So just Vy plus equals gravity, then Vx and Vy times equals the friction, and then the game object plus equals Vx times delta time. Same for Vy. So here you can see this stuff. I'm going to change the launch speed. There you can see it just moves normally. You can make the gravity negative, and you can make it heavier. But now with the friction, you're able to lower it, which makes the friction heavier. And it applies for both the X and Y. And yeah, that's it. So no friction, and then you can add friction. It gets kind of stuck. But yeah, that's my lab. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.